little chibis, this is Diamond Cute Charms, and today I received a letter from my new pen pal, Reina, Pink Reina 89. Sorry about that. Pink Reina 89, and this is her YouTube channel. Oops. Let me see, where is she? Oh, there she is. This is her YouTube channel right here, Pink Reina 89. So she's an awesome friend. Go and subscribe to her. She's a very, very good friend. So she sent me this cute letter right here, and she put some Rilakkuma deco tape, My Melody sticker, this huge Hello Kitty sticker, I love it, and then she put this Rilakkuma deco tape, and in the front she put a huge Hello Kitty sticker. I don't want to show my addresses right there. So yeah, I already cut this open, but I haven't looked inside, so let's take a look. Let me take everything out because I'm just holding this with one hand. So the first thing I see is your letter. So it says, "Hi Diamond, thank you so much for being so nice to me and for letting me purchase from you. Your pieces are so cute. I cannot wait to buy from you again. I can wait to get my package. Let me know if you want me to open on video." And she put Chibi Love right here. So cute. And it says, "Always Pink Reina 89. XOXOXO. Yay! And of course I want you to open my package on video because I sent quite a lot of stuff. Okay, so let's get started. First, she sent me the money for her order. She ordered from me. Thank you for that, Reina. I appreciate that. And then she sent me this cute envelope of Hello Kitty. I love it. Look at this. This is awesome. I love it. Then she sent me some memo sheets. She sent me this Rilakkuma one. Super cute. Then she sent me stickers. Care Bear stickers. Cuteness. And then she sent me this huge Rilakkuma memo sheet. I love Rilakkuma. And then she sent me this one. And then she sent me one of Chapeau. I love Sentimental Circus. So this is cuteness. Then she sent me this one. I love them. And then she sent me a lot of sticker flakes. Look at this. She sent me, let me put it down. She sent me that one. She sent me this one. This one. Oops, that's backwards. That one. She sent me a lot. She sent me this one. She sent me this one. So cute. And this one. She sent me a lot of sticker flakes. I appreciate that. I love stickers. She sent me that one. And these ones. And these ones. Wow, you sent me a lot of sticker flakes. Thank you so much for that, Reina. I appreciate that. You didn't have to send me anything, but you did. So thank you so much for that. And I'm going to be sending your package tomorrow, or no, today. Yeah, today is Saturday. I'm going to be sending your package today. Thank you so much for ordering from my little shop. And I'm going to show you a picture again so you can get people to know you. This is Pink Reina 89. Subscribe to her. She's an awesome friend. Thank you so much. And thanks for watching, little chibis. Bye!